नमस्कार। कोरोना काल में लॉकडाउन के चलते लगभग 9.5 महीनों के लंबे अंतराल के बाद आखिरकार प्रशासन ने 9वीं से 12वीं की कक्षाएं सुरक्षा दिशा निर्देशों के साथ शुरू करने की अनुमति दे दी। इस वैश्विक महामारी से लड़कर स्कूली छात्रों को सुरक्षित माहौल में शिक्षा प्रदान की जा सके, इसके लिए मॉन्टफोर्ट स्कूल नागपुर ने एहतियाती इंतजाम किए हैं। इन्हीं तैयारियों का जायज़ा तफसील से इस वीडियो में लिया गया है ताकि अभिभावकों का स्कूल के प्रति विश्वास बढ़े और वे अपने बच्चों को बेझिझक स्कूल भेजकर राष्ट्र निर्माण में सहयोग दें। So I have with me Ojas Sarkare of class 11th. How do you feel after a long time you are entering the school? You are the first one who stepped into the school. How do you feel?
Sir, I feel very enthusiastic and energetic after coming to my school. So I was eagerly waiting after lockdown when my school will start. Now it is started, so I am feeling very happy to see my friends and teachers again. Thank you.
I don't think that there should be any fear to come to school because it's really important. Every time there's a proper protection, there's a proper distance. In our class also we are sitting in a proper distancing manner and we are using sanitizers, and even teachers are also coming to take information about children and their family. So I don't think that there should be any fear to come to school.
Brother, what are your first thoughts in your mind after welcoming students back to school?
A very good morning to you, Mr. Surendra sir, our safety coordinator of Montfort School. I'm happy to interact with you, students, parents, teachers, and non-teaching staff members. Greetings to you all. Our students are back to school after 10 months of lockdown of schools due to this pandemic COVID-19. Neil Armstrong, after landing in the moon on July 20th, 1969, said, this is one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. 165 students who have stepped out of their homes and stepped into the school campus during these 2 weeks can remember your experience for the rest of your life as an act of courage and confidence when faced with challenges in life. I appreciate all the parents of these students for giving their consent and taking this daring decision to send these students back to school.
What do you consider important, a priority for you as the principal of Montfort School, Nagpur?
Our topmost priority for the next 5 months in the school is the safety of our students and the safety of our staff. The safety of our students and the safety of our staff is our topmost priority. Every one of us shall be very, very sincere. We shall be very, very serious. Every one of us shall very strictly implement all safety measures in the school bus, school campus, classrooms, washrooms, staff rooms, offices, and every nook and corner in the school campus for the safety of our students and for the safety of our staff members. We shall be extremely careful. We shall strive to maintain excellent cleanliness everywhere. Also, we must express our concern and our care for everyone around us.
And what are your plans for the students of classes 10th and 12th preparing for their board exams?
Our high school staff coordinators, class teachers of various sections, subject teachers together have definitely prepared a proper, perfect plan for our students of classes 10th and 12th getting ready for their CBSE board exams 2021 from 12th of May 2021. These 90 days of school from January 15th to April 15th, during the first 45 days, teachers would reteach important topics. Teachers would revise all chapters, and also teachers would conduct chapter-wise revision tests for our students of classes 10th and 12th. We have proposal to conduct 3 pre-board exams and practicals from 1st of March to 15th of April to improve the time management skills and also importantly the writing skills of our students and to enhance their confidence before they appear for their board exams. I would like to appreciate the Vice Principal, Brother Jomon Joy, safety coordinators, Mr. Surendra, Mr. Manuel, all the teachers and staff members, drivers and conductors, every parent of the school, Montfort School, every parent of Montfort School for extremely cooperating with the school management for ensuring the safety and safety of our students and safety of our staff members after physical reopening of the school. I would like to conclude by recalling the inspirational quote of our founder, Saint Montfort. If you don't take risk for God, you do nothing great for Him. Thank you, Mr. Surendra. Thank you for watching this video. Be safe and stay safe. God bless us all.
Thank you, brother. elaborate how it is safe to travel in the school bus?
Before going into the school buses, the conductor gives us sanitizer, and she also checks our temperature with the thermometer provided by the school to make sure that we are safe and healthy to board the buses. Inside the buses, we are also allotted seats so that we make sure the proper social distance to prevent the spread of germs. We are also not allowed to eat or share any sort of food so that we don't pass our germs to each other.
Any in-charge teacher is there in the bus?
We also have an in-charge teacher who looks after us and asks her for everything that we need.